So hello my young ones, how are you all? So I am back with new book Grammar Pathways for class 2 published by Children Voice Publication. So today we will start our new chapter, chapter number 9, and the name of the chapter is the pronoun. So let's come to the book. Read the following paragraph. Rohan is studious student of St. Peter's School. He was late to school. He explained to the teacher that he was late because he had taken a sick old woman to the hospital on his bicycle as she could not walk. The teacher patted his back and said, "We are proud to you as our student." In this paragraph, the words he, she, we, you are pronouns. So, हम ऐसे भी बोल सकते थे कि रोहन is studious student of St. Peter's School. Rohan was late to school. Rohan explained to the teacher that Rohan was late because Rohan had taken a sick old woman to the hospital. तो हम हर जगह रोहन का नाम ले सकते थे, but that was not looking good. It was looking odd. तो हमने पहले जगह पे रोहन का नाम लिया और after that at every place where we are talking about Rohan, we used he instead of his name. Then again old woman. First we explain that about whom we are talking, and then we have taken she instead of her name. The teacher patted his back and said, "We are proud." A word that is used in place of noun is called pronoun. तो ऐसे words जो हम noun ना use करके उनकी जगह पे use कर सकते हैं वो कहलाते हैं pronoun. So, for example, he, she and it. Rohan is a very intelligent boy. He studied in class this. He is very studious boy. He is 7 years old. He lives in Meerut. So like this, kids, first you have to take the name, then after that you have to use the pronoun instead of name. So name is the noun. So the words which we use in place of noun are called pronoun. Read the following sentences. This is Komal. Komal is an honest girl. Komal respects her parents and elders. Komal goes to temple daily. Everybody praises Komal. In these sentences, the word Komal is repeated many times. We can another word in its place to stop this repetition. So now same example, we are here in this example, the name of the Komal, they are repeating many times, but we can use another name instead of Komal. So what is the word which we can use in the place of Komal is she. So हमने अपने चैप्टर मैस्कुलाइन और फेमिनाइन में भी पढ़ा था कि हम जो हैं गर्ल के लिए एक ह्यूमन, एक फीमेल ह्यूमन के लिए जो वर्ड यूज करते हैं वो हम करते हैं she. So she does the above sentence can be written in the following way. This is Komal. She is an honest girl. She respects her parents. She goes to temple daily. Everybody praises her. In these sentences we have used she and her in place of Komal. These words are known as personal pronouns. So ये words क्या कहलाते हैं? ये words कहलाते हैं personal pronouns. So come to our next page. Read the following sentences. I am Mona. I am Mona. Minnie gave me a book. मिनी ने मुझे क्या दी है? बुक दी है. This computer is mine. We are friends. Our class teacher praised us for homework. These pencils are ours. In these sentences, I, me, mine, we, us, our, ours are personal pronouns. तो हम इन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? इन्हें हम बोलते हैं personal pronoun. All the pronouns that are used for the persons, सिर्फ persons के लिए speaking are called pronouns of the first person. तो जो भी किसी पर्सन अपने लिए जो स्पीक करता है कोई भी बात, तो उन्हें बोलते हैं हम are called the pronouns of the first person. Read the following sentence. You are a good player. These photographs are yours. In these sentences, you and yours are personal. तो ये क्या है? Personal है. Pronouns of the second person. तो ये है personal pronoun of the first person जब हम खुद के बारे में ही बात कर रहे हैं या फिर हम किसी और के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो वो होता है personal pronoun of the second person. All the pronouns that are used for the persons spoken to are called pronouns of the second person. तो जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, तो जब हम उसके लिए कोई नाउन यूज करते हैं, प्रोनाउन यूज करते हैं, तो दैट आर कॉल्ड द पर्सनल प्रोनाउन ऑफ द सेकंड पर्सन. रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. ही इज प्लेइंग बैडमिंटन. वी प्रेज हिम फॉर हिज गुड बिहेवियर. शी इज सिंगिंग अ स्वीट सॉन्ग. वो एक अच्छा मधुर गाना गा रही है. I met her yesterday. मैं कल उससे मिली थी. The child is crying. Feed it. बच्चा रो रहा है, इसे दूध पिलाइए. They are good friends. Tell them the news. वो अच्छे दोस्त हैं, उन्हें न्यूज़ बता दीजिए. In these sentences, he, him, she, her, it, they and them are personal pronoun of the third person. तो यह कौन से pronoun है? पर्सनल pronoun है थर्ड पर्सन के लिए. ओके, सो अगेन वी विल रिकॉल all the pronouns that are used for the person spoken about are pronouns of the third person. So understand and learn the following table of the personal pronoun. तो first person pronoun कौन से होते हैं बच्चों? I, me, my, mine, we, us, our and ours. You, your, yours. He, him, his. She, her, hers. It, its. They, them, their and theirs. Okay? So एक बार आप इन्हें लर्न भी कर लेंगे अच्छी तरह से, तो आपको और क्लियर हो जाएगा कि फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन और थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन कौन से होते हैं. The words my, our, your, his, her, its and their are called possessive adjectives. इन्हें क्या भी बोलते हैं हम? इन्हें possessive adjectives भी बोलते हैं. They are always used with nouns. और ये हमेशा nouns के साथ आते हैं. तो चलिए आ जाते हैं अपनी एक्सरसाइज पर. Rewrite the following sentences using pronouns in place of noun. Manu is my brother. Manu is 6 years old. तो आप इसे लिखेंगे Manu is my brother. He is 6 years old. Sony and Sonam are friends. They play badminton daily. तो सोनी एंड सोनम की जगह आ जाएगा यहाँ पे they. This is my newspaper. This newspaper is very informative. This is my newspaper. It is very informative. Anu met Avid. Anu gave Avi a pen. Anu met Avi. Avid. He gave Avi a pen. Vishnu and Vinay went to school. The teacher taught Vishnu and Vinay. The teacher taught them Hindi. Okay? So, आ जाते हैं अपने सेकंड क्वेश्चन पे. फ्रेम दी सेंटेंसेज यूजिंग द फॉलोइंग प्रोनाउंस. तो हमें कुछ सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं, हमें कुछ प्रोनाउंस दिए गए हैं. तो चलिए कुछ सेंटेंसेस मैं बनाऊंगी आपके लिए और कुछ आप बनाएंगे होमवर्क में. दे. सो They are best friends. Him. Anu gave him a chocolate. Her. Rajat gave her a pen. It is my dog. So now 2 you will do in your homework. So 4 sentences I have made for you and the rest you will do in your homework. Now play time with pronouns. Can you help the boys complete the following sentences with correct pronouns? तो यहाँ पे कुछ boys हैं और यहाँ पे कुछ sentences हैं. So आपको help करनी है इन boys की इन sentences को correct करने में. Let dash go for swimming. So एक boy दूसरे boy से कह रहा है, क्या कह रहा है? Let us go for swimming. So वो क्या बोल रहा है? इन बॉय ने इस बॉय से बोला We do not know how to swim. So उसने क्या बोला कि हमें नहीं पता कैसे स्विम करना है. तो चलिए बच्चों 2 मैंने आपके लिए सॉल्व करे और रेस्ट 2 आप कंप्लीट करेंगे अपने होमवर्क. ओके, सो आई होप डियर किड्स आपको ये चैप्टर समझ आया है. आप लर्न करिए जो टेबल हमने आपको अभी पढ़ाया था कि कितने तरह के प्रोनाउंस होते हैं. इट विल हेल्प यू टू फिल द अदर सेंटेंसेस also. So I hope kids you have understand what we have studied in this chapter and thanks for watching.